Mrs. Nasarino? Here. Mr. O'Connor?
Here.
Mr. Griffin?
Here. Counselor, read the public notice, please.
Sure. You have a copy of the public notice with you?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Do you have a copy of that?
No.
Let me see if I get one. Hold on, I apologize. This is right here.
All the paper we got here, Tim, it's amazing.
In the department. Preliminary budget. Okay, here's the preliminary budget. You see political notifications, immigration, down through here. I do not have a notice. Hold on just a minute, guys. Performance bond, approved, recommendation.
As the,
We can't hear anything.
that's all right.
That's all right,
Can you hear now?
Yeah, we can't hear
Okay.
I do
Well, the town attorney apparently does not have a copy of the public notice, so just for everyone's information, we are here tonight to have a public hearing on the preliminary budget for the town of Patterson for year 2009. At this time, anyone who wishes to be heard will have to be recognized, come up to the microphone, give your name for the record, and then ask your question or make your comment. Mr. Raines, you have...
As the code enforcement official for the town of Patterson, I have to advise the board and town council that the meeting room
Can't hear you either.
that the meeting room tonight is inadequate for this meeting, and I'm requiring under New York State law, fire safety, NFPA 101, that the meeting be adjourned to a safe location that will accommodate the fair number of people.
Okay. Mr. Raines, did you do a fire code inspection at the rec center this evening?
At 6:45, I did, and at that time it was not set up properly to accommodate 100 people plus.
All right, so then this facility is inadequate, and based on your assessment of the other facility, that's not prepared either?
Correct. The meeting should be adjourned to a time and place when we can make it safe for the public.
Question, when did you assess the situation down there last? How long ago?
6:45, sir.
It's been changed.
Okay, well,
The violation, one of the violations to do with the doors being blocked by tables has been rectified. To the best of my knowledge at this point, that rec center is safe and it's legal to conduct the meeting.
Mr. Raines, do we have an action plan in place?
There's no action plan. There's other events down there. The front door is blocked by tables for sign-ups. There's no 60-inch aisle down the center to the south egress. Again, the bottom line is, for all of you looking at me, nobody notified me, and I've been here the last 4 or 5 days, that this was going to be moved to another venue. So I don't know who made the plans to set it up down there, but there was no miscommunication. There was just no communication. And I'm not very happy about being on the spot here, because we all knew this was going to happen. So my recommendation is you adjourn the meeting for another time and place when we can do this safely and have an action plan by law to manage this number of people.
Okay, at this time I make a motion that public hearing's been open. We keep the public hearing open. We adjourn the meeting to Wednesday, November 12th at 7:30 p.m. at the Patterson Recreation Center. So moved.
Second.
Have a roll call, please.
Mr. Capasso? Mr. Castell?
No.
Couldn't hear?
No.
Mrs. Nasarino? Yes. Mr. O'Connor?
Yes.
Mr. Griffin?
Yes. I apologize for the misunderstanding, and I will see hopefully all of you on November 12th at the Patterson Recreation Center when we are properly prepared to have this meeting in a setting and a place that is adequate, that has been laid out correctly, been reviewed by the code enforcement officer in advance. I'm sorry?
You have to give a time.
The time is...
No. When you want to have it.
7:30, November 12th, Patterson Recreation Center, 65 Front Street, at which time all individuals who wish to be heard and ask questions and listen, we will be in a place at that point that will have been reviewed by the code enforcement officer. We will have an action plan in place. We will have adequate security, we will have adequate parking, and we will be properly prepared. My apologies. Thank you all for coming. Hopefully we will see you all on the 12th. Good night.
And anyone who wants to talk to me about this action, I'm here. I'll be more than happy to explain to you why. How long does it take?